This place is huge. Okay, found inside this place. There we go. I see what we're here for. One, two, and then of course the rocket right here. There's two variants which I didn't know about, so that's why we're here. Alright guys and girls, welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy, Snowcat. I'm kidding. We're off to find the bikes, and the reason why I'm here, Triumph brought me down to beautiful sunny Arizona, and we're here to check out some bikes. We have three different models: the Rocket, the Tiger, and the Street. Sorry if I'm squinting, it is hella bright out here. I'm gonna try and find the bikes though. There's a bunch more. I think I see them. Yep. Look at this. That is some bikes right there.
What are we doing tomorrow, big guy?
Tomorrow we're gonna ride some bikes up there in the mountains up there.
You're not that American. Stop. Stop.
Numerous glasses of water, and it's only about 7:30, so we have a good 20 plus hours until we have to ride.
It's not 7:30. It's like whatever that is.
I think your watch might be broken there.
I'm in the same time zone. It's coming up for 10, bud.
10 before the time where we don't have to go to bed.
Exactly.
Later. How about that?
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, so this is a drunk end to this video. There was no bike riding this night, but that's okay. That is okay. Tomorrow morning we're going for breakfast, and then we're going to hit the Tiger 900. And we'll say a good night. And we'll see you with the power of editing tomorrow. What's that? Is that rude?
Yeah.
I can't put it in there then. Good morning everyone. Today's the day of the ride. Yesterday we flew in. We're out here in the Triumph kind of area. They have sectioned off Street Triple RS, the new 2020, the Thruxton RS. Back there we have all the Rocket 3s. They have a couple scramblers. I think these are for the guys leading the ride, because we're focusing on the Tiger. And on my Instagram I was asked if we have the Rallypro. Yes, they got the street version here with the cast wheels, and they do have the Rallypro. So we will be trying both. The suspension looks and the suspension and the wheels and tires are different on this one, so it is a little bit taller than the street version. More street focused, I guess. I got a couple hours to wait before more people come in from the States. They're coming from California and different locations. And we came in early because we're from Canada. There's no direct flights, took forever to get here because we're in Tucson, so there you go. And we'll see you guys in a couple of hours, probably in the helmet. Well, there we go, boys and girls. Welcome back. Everyone is here for all the bikes. Today, we're going to be on the Rallypro version, do some off-road. We'll see how bad I am at that. Picked out a white one, of course, because that's the way I roll. Then they have the other version, GS. I think it's more like street oriented with the cast wheels and the lower suspension, lower seat height. Still really nice. I like it. I'm a tall dude, so I can get away with the big bike. We're waiting on one more bus, and then we're out of here. So more people got delayed, unfortunately, at the airport. So as soon as they come, ready to rip. Oh yeah, we are on. Shit. That is a really nice screen. We'll turn this guy on later. Oh yeah, the old Freedom units. Miles per hour. Had a riders meeting. We're gonna be following Chris, wherever Chris is right there. He's from Triumph. That's Lance from Triumph. He's the guy that set it all up and got us out here. Hi Lance, hi. So it's Lance, and yeah, some familiar faces I've ridden with before. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, it's crazy how the indicators go red. You see that? That's so cool. All right, guys. We're in Arizona, Tucson with Triumph America on the new Tiger 900. And we're gonna have a blast. Oh, the indicators are even red. Sounds really good.
Hey, you're snowcat. What up? Come here. I know you're crazy. Let's fuck some shit up today.
Let's do it.
Hell yeah, dude.
It's been a while since I've been on dirt, but
Yeah?
I'm down.
Yeah, man. How long was your trip out here? Took a while?
Yeah, 4 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Oh, Jesus.
So yesterday I was so tired.
I bet, man. Well, we'll get some margaritas by the pool tonight.
Oh, I can't wait.
Hell yeah. Hey, you don't show your face, do you?
I do, yeah.
You do?
Yeah,
Okay.
don't blur it. You're good. You're good.
Cool.
Yeah. Hell yeah, man. That's a heavy bitch. That not the girl, the car.
As soon as I saw her trying to pick it up, who it was, I was
He's like, yeah, no.
switch bikes. No way. Oh, we're off to a fun start.
I know. It's good to be back on a bike, I tell you that. And it's beautiful out here. Finally get some wind coming through my old balls, I tell you. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I'm supposed to have a quick shifter, I think, too. Oh, it does. It's so good. Oh, yeah, that's good. We'll talk more once we get out onto the road or out of this boring stop-go traffic. Man, I wore my contacts for this. Freaking amazing. I don't know what's going on. Like, we're stopping every 10 seconds. Something's weird. Someone already dropped the bike. Some girl had a Rocket 3. She's like 60 pounds, and these bikes are big and heavy. And now we keep stopping for some reason. I'm not sure what's going on. There are so many bikes here. Holy crap. I like the indicators, man. Like how they become a brake light too. Yeah, dude, this is really nice. Double layered ripstop. Sounds like the name I used to dance under. Sounds like the name I used to dance under. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage. Double stop ripstop. My stripper name. Okay, guys, we're gonna come back once we actually hit some fun roads. This is so boring sitting in traffic, even though I know someone's gonna dump their bike, but that's the military graveyard right there. A really sweet graveyard, dude. Dude, look at those. Look how many planes there are. No wonder your guys' debt is so high. All you do is buy planes, broken ass planes. Look behind it too. That is insane. Yeah, look at all those Freedom. That's some Freedom planes right there. That is hilarious. Them Freedom units. There's more? So there's planes back there, jets up here. Oh, the left side. Dude. Wow. That's really cool. I've never seen a graveyard so big. Jake, we have healthcare and you guys have airplanes. Yeah, look at that. You can't say it on a video, dude. You say it's a Hercules, and then if you're wrong, everyone's gonna rant at you. Yeah, you can't be wrong ever on YouTube. Nope, never. Exactly. Whatever is in the comments, that's what that plane is. So we must be really close to the actual base end because the graveyard is next to the base. Yeah. Oh, there's an air museum over here too. We're just like sightseeing, like holding up the whole group. Let's get that Arizona views. Oh yeah, there's nothing to look at. All right, we're finally outside of the city, and as you can see, much more mountainous terrain, and it's looking pretty nice out here. Very deserty, but it's so different from like where I live. It's like the complete opposite. And here we are. Yeah, dude, I don't know what's going on.
Good day to be American.
What?
Good day to be American.
America, you see that passenger seat cruise control right there?
Yeah.
That is comfy. I don't know if this is our group or not. It's maybe one of our group crash or something. Yeah, this is the last time Triumph's doing this.
Oh shit. Someone go down?
I don't know.
Big motorcycle crash. Somebody going this way and that way. Just right into each other.
We're going to turn around. They're going to close the road.
Yeah, that's where we're about to.
Yeah, all right.
No. They need you up there.
I think it was in a car around the corner.
So there it is, bike crash. We're not going that way to the road anymore. They're probably going to close the road. So here we are, the other group's up there. We're back here, and it looks like the road's going to get closed, so yeah, not good. I found a cup holder for the Triumph. Look at that. That's nice. Put a beer in there. Got to charge the battery up here. Okay, so we're turning around. What's up, brother? There's a Mavic in the air right there. Yeah, right there. Where's our guy? Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn around, everyone. All right, so now we're back on the road with the group, and we're gonna go find somewhere else to go. Wow, what a crazy ride though. Like, there's two groups of 22, and it's just a shit show, first of all, because there's so many bikes, so many different riders, different riding styles. You've already dropped, one of the people already dropped a bike because it was too heavy for them, and so there's such a range of riding style and people here, from off-road adventure to me, street and track. Like, everyone's different, stunters and stuff like that, so it's quite the selection here. And plus, no one really knows Tucson, and plus these are all brand new bikes to a lot of people that haven't ridden them already. There are some people here that have ridden them before, like from different launches and stuff, but most of these people, brand new bike, you know, options and all that fun stuff. And it's just been messy, and then the event organizers don't even know Arizona or Tucson that well, so you know, it's been a bit of an interesting event so far. Lots of stops and stuff, but we're getting it. We'll finally be off-road. We'll finally be enjoying these bikes, and yeah, as of right now, there's just a bunch of bikes behind me, and we're making the best of it. It sucks that the road closed, but oh well, it is what it is. I'll come back, guys, when we get to the meeting spot for the off-road. All right, I think we found some dirt. I think it's just a street, to be honest. It is over now. We're trying to get around this crash, but if we can get it with some dirt road, that'd be fun. These are some nice houses back here, eh? Wow, these are nice. Such a different style for down here versus like where I live. Oh, kid on a bicycle. They're crossing the road. Oh, this is awesome. Now this is fun.